So installing fondant kind of as a an emergency backup. They have most all these hives that I've checked today are all full of honey, so it's not really sure if it helps them or not, but this late in the year it never hurts. Plus it's a nice warm day, get to check in on everybody. Kind of take this thing apart, you can kind of see how I've got a piece of 1.5-inch foam on top underneath the lid. Then I've got double bubble reflective insulation under that, and then basically what I do is I put my shim board, it's just a 1.5-inch ring that I've made that gives me space for any food that I want to feed. And then I'm just going to cut a little flap in this, and we'll make it so that I can just kind of fold it back. I'm going to kind of see, yep, there's bees right there. So then I'm just going to take this Hive Alive and cut a circle in that. Peel that off. So now I've exposed the center of that. And so then what I'll do is I'll simply fold this back. They're going to come out of there. And then we're just going to cover that over top of them. And then they'll have access to that from underneath that insulation. So hopefully, I've not done it this way, but it should work. I mean, they basically have their insulation over top of them. They have access to food stores, and then I'm going to put another thing of foam once I run her away. Another thing of foam. Sorry, I didn't bring my phone stand. And then put my lid on top of that for waterproof. And then strap it down. And basically that's it. So they have emergency stores, they have all their insulation. Hopefully that's pretty much all we're going to do to the rest of these hives.